Students, page number 137, problem number 6. Concentrate. Show that the time required for 99.9% completion of first order reaction is 3 times the time required for 90% completion of the first order reaction. See this problem here, this one. Okay, we'll begin here. We have what is the formula here? K is equal to, the formula goes like this, students. Yes, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log of concentration of A at time interval 0 to concentration at time interval T. Okay, काय म्हटलं त्याने? Show that the time required for 99% completion. So A T is equal to what? How much remains? 100 minus 99.9 म्हणजे 0.1% remains. ठीक है. What about concentration of A at time interval 0? 100. Okay. Next, this is case number 1. Case number 2. Show that the time required for 99.9% completion of first order reaction is 3 times the time taken for 90% completion. 100 minus 90, that is what? 110%. And what about a concentration of A at time interval 0? It is 100. So therefore K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log concentration of A naught, which is 100, divided by case number 1, 0.1. This is K again. This is T1. 2.303 divided by. Students, show that the time required for 99.9% of completion of first order reaction is 3 times the time required for 90% completion. म्हणजे in both the cases A naught is 100, AT is 100 minus 99.9, which is 0.1, and in second case AT is 100 minus 90, which is 10% here. Formula I have used here, log of what? 100 divided by 10. Clear? Because AT is 10. Therefore, students, T1 is equal to, observe this here, T1 is equal to 2.303 upon K log 100 upon 0.1 is log 1000. Clear? T2 is, see here, T2 is 2.303 divided by K log 10. Are you okay here? Hey, cancel. Therefore, T1 upon T2 is equal to log 1000 upon log 10. Students, log A upon B is log A minus log B. Log A upon log B आहे. त्यामुळे तुमचे ते laws of logarithms cannot be applied here. This is log 10 raised to 3 divided by log 10. What is log 10 raised to 3? 3 log 10. Log of A raised to n is n log A. Log 10 is 1. Again this is 3 because log 10 is 1. Therefore T2, show that the time required for 99%. Therefore T1 is equal to what? Cross multiply. T1 upon T2 is equal to 3. Therefore T1 is equal to 3 T2. Ends the job. 2 marks questions. Students, clear? Come on. झालं, एक पॅटर्न कंप्लीट झाला. गो टू ॲक्टिवेशन एनर्जी ना. थोडं मी लॉग शिकवते ना, थोडं त्याच्याकडे लक्ष देऊन बघा. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 3, पेज नंबर 137. ओके, कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ना. See here, the energy of activation for first order reaction is 104 kilojoule. Given activation energy EA is equal to 104 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. Rate constant T1 at 25 is, how much is it? 3.7 into 10 raised to minus 5 per second. What is the, हे K1 धरूया. What is the rate constant at 30 degrees Celsius? 273 plus 30, 303 kelvins. R they have given. It is 8.314 joule per kilo mole. Okay, concentrate. Formula to find काय K2. We have log K2 upon K1 is equal to, log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. हाँ, log K2 upon K1, तुम्हाला K2 पाहिजे. So what is this? Log A minus B. Log A upon B is log A minus log B. EA upon 2.303 R. T2 minus T1 is 303 minus 298 divided by 303 into 298. Therefore log K2 हे त्या साईडला ट्रान्सफर करा. log K1 plus EA is how much? 104 10 raised to 3 divided by 2.303 8.314 298 303. How much is it? 5. 303 multiplied by 298. Okay, therefore log K2 is equal to log K1. What is the formula for K1? What is the value? 3.7 into 10 raised to minus 5 plus. स्टुडंट्स हे सगळं जेव्हा तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करता ना, स्टुडंट्स 104 इंटू 10 raised to 3 इंटू 5 ह्याचं सगळं आन्सर येतं 0.3 आहे. आता थोडं केअरफुली बघा. हां, लॉग K2 ह्याचं लॉग कसं घ्यायचं माहिती आहे? बार 5.37th 0th रो, 37th 0th रो. स्टुडंट्स इट इज 5682. यू कॅन चेक युअर लॉग. हां, 5682 येतं प्लस 0.3 ह्याचं लॉग घेतलेलं नाही आपण. आता बार 5 it is not minus 5. So to convert it into logarithm part, to convert it into an integer, a negative integer, add 1 minus 4 करायचं. ह्याला add 1 करायचं आणि ह्याला 1 मधून subtract करायचं. This value should be deducted from 1. When I add 1 to bar 5 it becomes minus 4. Point. Subtract this integer from 1. 10 minus 2, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 5 plus 0.3. Now you can add it. Okay, log K2 minus 4 point plus 3 किती झालं? minus 4 point, नाही मायनस आणि प्लस मायनस होणार ते 0.4 0.3 0.1318. अगेन बी केअरफुल स्टुडंट्स. आता मला K2 पाहिजे विच इज अँटी लॉग ऑफ परत minus 4.1318. हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट अँटी लॉग ऑफ -4 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. परत ह्याला -1 करायचं आणि ह्याला 1 मधून डिडक्ट करायचं. लॉग घेताना +1 करायचा. While taking log, add 1 to characteristic. While taking antilog, -1 from characteristic. Both side deduct these mantissa part from 1. Deduct these mantissa part from 1. Minus of minus becomes bar 5. Bar 5 point what? आता ह्याचं परत सबट्रॅक्ट करा. 10 minus 8, 9 minus 1, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 1 again. Bar 5.8682 येतं. This is not the answer. अँटीलॉग ऑफ बार 5.8682 काय करायचं आहे त्याचं 8682चा अँटीलॉग बघा. अँटीलॉग आता याचा 8682चा अँटीलॉग. व्हॉट इज द अँटीलॉग ऑफ 8682? यू कॅन चेक. इट इज 773 इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग 7382. 8682चा अँटीलॉग 7382. Put digit after one decimal. Put decimal after one digit. 10 raised to minus 5. हे तुम्हाला येतं. I'll repeat what I said. Log K2. I'm interested in finding out log. Bar 5 37चा log घेतला. Add 1 to this. Deduct this from 1. This ends the value 0.3. हे सगळं log antilog घेतल्याचं व्हॅल्यू आहे ही. अभी -4 पॉइंट दिस. log K2 will be -4. Again -4 antilog काढणं अशक्य आहे. Add -1 and deduct, subtract this from 1. You get it like this. Bar 5चा antilog 8682चा antilog is 7382. Bar 5 7.382 into 10 raised to -5 watt per second. That's it. कळतं? हे एक झालं. स्टुडंट्स हा प्रॉब्लेम जरी लेंदी असला ना तरी इट्स नॉट दॅट डिफिकल्ट. डोंट वरी एट ऑल. ठीक आहे. गो टू प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4 ना. व्हॉट इज द एनर्जी ऑफ ॲक्टिवेशन ऑफ अ रिॲक्शन वॉज रेट कॉन्स्टन्स डबल गिवन. बघा दिस वन. What is the energy of activation of a reaction whose rate constant doubles when the temperature changes from 303 kelvins to 313 kelvin? बघा given. What is the energy of activation of the reaction whose rate constant doubles? म्हणजे K2 is 2 times K1 when the temperature changes from 303 kelvins to 313 kelvins. To find the energy of activation. What we are going to do here? The energy of activation formula. Again same old story here. Log K2 upon K1 is equal to EA divided by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. Okay, log K2 is 2K1 upon K1 is equal to EA, don't know, 2.303, R is 8.314, T2 is what? 313, T1 is 303 divided by 313 multiplied by 303. Cancel. Log 2 is 0.3010 is equal to EA upon 2.303 8.314 313 10 झालं हे आणि हे मल्टिप्लाय. आर यू ओके हियर? हे एक गोष्ट झाली. आता व्हॉट शॅल वी डू हियर? झालं सिम्पल मल्टिप्लाय करा. देअरफॉर व्हॉट इज EA? 2.303 into cross multiply. I am not doing anything else. Into 313 into 303 upon 10. Students answer exact textbook मध्ये येतं. Don't worry. 54.66 into 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. झालं. हे झालं प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4. आता प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 5. पेज नंबर 137. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 5. Rate constant at temperature 500 kelvins, 500 degrees Celsius. K is 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 per mole per second. what is the frequency factor if the activation energy is 56 10 raised to 3 joule per mole. To find काय परत log students, formula is K is equal to A into e raised to minus EA divided by RT. इधर ही log challenging आहे हाँ. Therefore taking natural log on both sides, natural log of K is equal to natural log of A minus EA divided by RT. K is equal to how much ना. थांबा हा, तुम्हाला पहिलं एक सेकंड मुलांनो. टू फाइंड इज, wait, I'll put that step properly. To find what? The frequency factor means A. Formula we have K is equal to A into e raised to minus EA divided by RT. Come on, आगे बढ़ो. Natural log of K is equal to natural log of A minus EA upon RT. Convert natural log into log 10, 2.303 log K 2.303 log A minus EA divided by R capital T येतं मुलांनो, capital T. Dividing throughout by 2.303 you get log K is equal to log A minus EA upon RT 2.303. Are you okay? Therefore परत be careful of log. Log A is equal to log K plus EA upon RT 2.303. Come on, log A is equal to log K. K value is what? 1.6 into 10 raised to 3 plus EA is what? 56 into 10 raised to 3. R 8.314. T 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस. स्टूडेंट्स 500 बोले तो कितना हो गया? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग इट कम्स आउट टू बी 500 प्लस 273 773. ठीक है हाँ, इंटू 2.303. इथं केअरफुल. लॉग ए लॉग ऑफ 1.6 इंटू 10 raised to 3 म्हणजे 3 10 raised to 3.16चा लॉग घ्यायचा. 16चा लॉग किती येतो स्टुडंट्स? इफ आय एम नॉट रॉंग इट विल बी 2040. हां बघा हां, कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक 3 log of 16 हां प्लस द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ दिस व्हेन यू सॉल्व इट इट कम्स आउट टू बी, हे सगळं याचं सगळं करायचं, लॉग सबट्रॅक्ट अँटीलॉग अँड ऑल दॅट. द व्हॅल्यू कम्स आउट टू बी 3.784. देयरफॉर लॉग ए ॲड करो. 4 plus 4 8 7 plus 2 9 6 point. हां देयरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू अँटीलॉग ऑफ 6.988. आता 988 काय करायचं स्टुडंट? 6.988 कसं करणार तुम्ही? अँटीलॉग ऑफ दिस, दॅट इज हाऊ यू गोइंग टू डू हियर? 0.988 antilog of this, that will be 98th row 8th column से antilog बघा, it comes out to be 9727. characteristic is 6 10 raised to 6 येते म्हणजे 0.988चं antilog घ्यायचा. the answer comes out to be 9.727 into 10 raised to 6. काय? the unit is per mole per second. Per mole per second. Are you okay? This is one. Then come on, there are only 2 problems left. I will take it in the next class and I will send you the photos also, students, immediately. And in the next period, I'll begin with ionic equilibrium. That's it. We'll stop for today.